Hey guys, today we're going to be seeing the differences between Python and C++. These are both very popular languages at the moment. We're going to be discovering the pros and cons and the facts about those two languages. Alright, let's get into it. So, first, we're going to be looking at Python. Python is a computer programming language often used to build websites and software. So it's a very simple language that you can use for pretty much everything. You can use to automate tasks and to conduct data analytics. You can make games. But there are some things that you cannot do in Python that you can do in C++. Now, let's look at C++. So C++ is a general purpose coding language that's a little bit older than Python. It is a less popular language than Python, but it is used for game development, software engineering, data structures, developing browsers, and operating systems. So, it's your choice, really. Now, we're going to be looking at how much a Python dev gets paid and how much a C++ developer gets paid. So, the most common job in C++ would definitely be software engineering. Now, the top earners get paid $154,000 per year, or $2,971 per month. And then here's the average. The average 118,000, and the weekly. So there's not that big of a difference between the average and the top earners, but it's still a pretty big difference. Now, let's look at the Python devs. So the basic Python devs get paid up to $136,000 per year, when the more experienced workers get paid $155,000 per year. Now, so the top earners are the top 10 percentile in the US, which is not in the world. This is in the world. So if we look at here, this has a different annual salary. It has only about $10,000 of difference. So the average is 121,000, and the average is 118,000. But they both pay a lot. Now, let's get into our next subject. So, we're going to be looking at how easy it is to learn. So we'll start with Python. Python is widely considered among the easy programming languages. So many people in the whole world like Python as a programming language. And it's widely used. It's a very easy place to start your programming journey. C++ is a somewhat difficult programming language to learn. It does pay more, and I think that it is my personal favorite. But it is not a beginner programming language. If you are a beginner, you should definitely start with Python. And if you are more ambitious and you have more time to learn programming, you should learn C++. Thanks for watching, guys. See